How did this and this turn into this? Let's unravel that mystery with the help of fourth-generation Union City area resident Aaron Applegate. The fence gate? Well, that was built by Aaron's father, Richard, in the 1960s. Looks good for its age, huh? Now, we kind of tricked you on the second one. You were looking at the cows, weren't you? We were hoping you'd notice the 14-gauge cone hay saver from which the cattle are feeding. This all leads us to Aaron Applegate and the 46-acre livestock equipment manufacturing facility his company operates in this 160,000 square foot building.
My father, Richard Applegate, then just 19 years of age, started a business in 1955 with installing fence around the local county. He started building wooden gates and wire fill gates in 1960.
Demand was so great for these gates that his fencing business turned into full-time manufacturing and expanded into other livestock equipment as well. Today, they manufacture a comprehensive line of livestock equipment with brand names like Ideal, Westfield, and Elk River, in addition to Applegate. Applegate's business expanded internationally when they were acquired in 2008 by Ag Growth International, and today their products are sold in 35 states and Canada. They build approximately 70,000 gates each year and have installed a technologically advanced powder coat system, which allows them to provide the best looking and most durable product finish available. When you're in the Union City area, you can stop by and see this place for yourself. Applegate sells primarily through distributors, but they offer a small retail operation here where you can find some bargains. Aaron has a long-standing family history of agriculture, building quality products, and taking care of customers from this East Central Indiana base of operation. How's that for destination shopping? For SAVOR Indiana, I'm Kevin Gardner.